Let's speak to David Adonri now, who is the Vice Chairman of the High Cap Securities. He joined me via phone from Lagos. Good morning, David, Mr. Adonri.
Yeah, thank you very much, Yusuf. Good morning to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Talk to us about the stock market performance last week. It does appear that last week we had just 3 days of trading.
Yeah, those 3 trading days were very rewarding because the equity market appreciated last week by about 0.7%, which was quite okay for a week that had only 3 trading days.
Prof, it does appear that the background noise is interfering with the conversation. I don't know if there's a way you can actually be able to speak to us if you can at least maybe park somewhere and speak to us briefly, if that is possible. Prof, are you still there? It does appear we're having challenges with Prof. There it appears that he's on the road. Let's switch to our second topic now. Okay, Prof.
Yeah.
The background noise there is affecting the conversation.
Okay, I have relocated to another spot at the same place of the stock exchange.
Oh, okay, all right. So talk to us about the new listing. Are we expecting any? NNPC, Dangote Refinery were supposed to list in the first quarter. The second quarter is almost finishing and no news is coming from there.
Well, we are also still awaiting the listing of those iconic companies. And nothing so far has developed. But last we heard concerning NNPC was that they were doing an IPO, an initial public offering. So perhaps after that IPO, they will come to the exchange to list by production. But for Dangote Refinery, we have not heard anything except that we are relying third-party on the promise made by the president of the Dangote Group, Alhaji Aliko Dangote, that sooner or later, Dangote Refinery will be listed on the exchange. And everybody is eagerly awaiting that mega listing at the exchange. But other than that, there have been some other listings occurring, like today, 2 futures contracts were listed on the exchange. They were structured on the NGX 30 index. So those are listed, so it gives the opportunity to investors who are interested in participating in the futures market of the derivatives market to have more instruments at their beck and call now at the exchange.
Let's talk to us about the outlook for the week. What are we expecting for the week? It's a new week and, of course, the first trading day for the week.
You do. Today is starting almost on a bloody note because the banking sector is down by over 5%. A lot of the top banks that are allegedly affected by the different circular issued by CBN in terms of the end of the forbearance they were giving concerning their exposure, their liability exposure, to the tune of about $4 billion, had a traumatic effect on the banking stocks today. A lot of the stocks actually opened on full offer, but they are recovering gradually now. But yet, the offer position is still very high. So that is dragging down the all-share index. The all-share index is also down right now by about 0.5%. due to the heavy battering that the banking sector is currently experiencing. But some other stocks are showing promises, like Ella Lake in the Greek sector for full deed. Have the capacity to also through the Cornerstone Insurance. They are all performing well. So, save for the issues surrounding the banks and the investor confidence that has been dampened as a result of the end of the forbearance by CBN. I think we should see a week that should be stable. So I think that between now and the end of the week, we expect the banks to address or to come up with disclosures to inform the investing public as to the real situation of events surrounding how they are affected by the circular and the measures that they are taking to ensure that investors...
I need to thank you. Prof, I need to thank you there. I need to thank you there for that detailed briefing and, of course, a review. Hopefully, we'll talk to you within the week to see how the market is faring. Thank you so much, David Adonri, Vice Chairman of the Board of High Cap Securities. Thank you for your time.